กรณ์สายยศ My student number is 10. Earth is the third planet from the sun. Earth is smaller than the sun. Earth is bigger than the moon. Earth orbits the sun. The sun gives us light and heat. The sun is a star. The sun is a hot ball of fire in space. Mercury is first planet from the sun. Venus is second planet from the sun. Mars is the red planet. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. Neptune is eighth planet from the sun. Jupiter is biggest planet. Pluto is smallest planet. Thank you.